Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Maaz and you are watching Maaz Electronics. So friends, in this video I will give you a complete tour video of Chinese website which is NextPCB. And guys, NextPCB is a Chinese website which make high quality PCBs in China. If you want to make any kind of PCB, please visit NextPCB. Now guys, I will show you how to order your PCB from nextpcb.com and also trial order under $0. First of all, you want to go to website of NextPCB. So guys, this is a website of NextPCB. You can see that here is many option on this website and you can choose your option according to your need. First of all, you can see that they give only $0 for PCB prototype. First lead time as 24 hours and they have free shipping for PCB assembly order. Also give 4-layer PCB productions. And NextPCB is also mainly sponsored for K-Kid. So guys, this is a website of NextPCB. You can make your own PCB on any software and give Gerber file to this company, that is NextPCB. So they receive only Gerber's file, not another files of PCBs. So now I will show you how to order your PCB from nextpcb.com. First of all, you want to sign up and log in. I have already made the account on this website, so you can sign up. First of all, you can add your email address, confirm email, password and enter your code. You can sign up your account in NextPCB. When you log in nextpcb.com, first of all you want to make your Gerber file on any software and then upload your Gerber file in this website. So first I want to show you how to order your PCB under $0. First of all, you want to click on this button and choose your parameters according to your need. And when you select your all the parameters, you can also order your PCB assembly together and stencil with this PCB. They have two other options for your PCBs. And when you select all the parameters and then you click on this button, that is calculate. When you click on this button, you can see the table and you can select your shipping cost by selecting this. So I am in Pakistan, so I select only Pakistan. So I select Pakistan and now I select my country and now I want to select my shipping company. So if you want to take your order fast, you select DHL, and if you want to take your order in low cost, so you can select your China Post Airmail. That cost is only $13 and the cost of DHL is $50. You can see that our PCB cost is 0 and we only paid our shipping cost. After selecting your shipping cost, you can click on add to cart button. When you press the button, this table will be open and you can add your Gerber file. After uploading your Gerber file, and press this button, submit order now. Uploaded successfully and you can see that our order has been done and you can see that. And now we can go NextPCB homepage. I will show you the other things of this website. So you can see that after your order is done, you can select your order by clicking this cart button and you can see that your order is here. Now go back and you can also use PCB assembly and PCB instant Kuwaito. Now guys, I will show you the payment method of this website. You can press by this website. You can pay your payment method via PayPal account, bank transfer, cash payment at PCB, NextPCB headquarter and Western Union. You can use your any type of payment method according to your need. And guys, you can also see that the bank information of this website, and you can give your money by this bank on this bank accounts. Now guys, I will show you if you have any problem on your PCB, you can also contact with this website by pressing this button, contact us. So you can select your name, phone number, email address and your message about your need, and they will contact you as soon as possible. And you can also contact by pressing this button. This is Skype account and this is its email address. So you can also contact by pressing these two buttons. You can show your order in your account by pressing this button on NextPCB. Now this page will be open, and on the left side you can see all order button is here, and press this button and you can see that your order is here, and you can see your account balance from here. Your account balance is here, and your coupons by pressing this button, and your points from here you can see that. If you want to edit your profile by pressing this button, my profile, you can use your email address, Skype ID, username, region, business type, job role, application and shipping address. Also this is a shipping address that I was used in this. So guys, this is a website of NextPCB. You can use this website and you can order your high quality PCB from this website. NextPCB is the best Chinese company in China, and you can order your professional PCB from this. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also visit nextpcb.com for ordering your PCB. Allah Hafiz.